Good day everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the use of networking devices, media, and connector.
First, let's understand the definition of networking devices. Networking devices are physical devices that facilitate communication and data transfer within the computer network. Now, what is the importance of building network? The importance in building a network. It is the building blocks of any network, enabling device to communicate.
Let's move on to the different types of networking devices.
Router, switch hub, access point, modem, modulator, demodulator.
Router. Devices that connect different networks and determine the best path for data to travel between them. Switch hub. Hubs are basic devices that connect multiple devices within a LAN. Access point or AP. Access points provide wireless connectivity for devices to connect to a wired network. Modem or modulator and demodulator convert digital data from a computer into analog signal for transmission.
We have 5 types of networking connectors. SC connector, another type of fiber optic connector, making them easy to connect and disconnect. It's push-pull design. RJ45 are commonly used in Ethernet connections to connect computers, switches, and routers. Common usage: Ethernet connections, homes, and companies. LC connector, used in fiber optic cabling to provide a reliable connection for transmission. BNC connector, commonly used for coaxial cables and are known for their twist and lock design, connecting analog video equipment. USB connector, used for a wide range of devices, connecting peripherals to computers. Let's move on with understanding networking media. Networking media is physical medium that carries data signals from one device to another. There are 3 types of networking media, and these are copper cabling, fiber optic cabling, and wireless cabling.
Copper cabling. Copper cabling is one of the 2 basic types of physical cabling media. Copper cabling is cheap and flexible, but it is also susceptible to electromagnetic interference, or EMI, has limited range because of attenuation, and generates electromagnetic radiation that can be intercepted by nearby equipment. Cat5e. Compared to the previous Cat5 standard, Cat5e offers much better performance with up to 10 times faster speeds and a much higher capacity to travel longer distances without experiencing crosstalk. Cat6. A Cat6 cable is a kind of network cable used to connect devices to a local area network, or also known as LAN. It is also referred to as a Cat6 Ethernet cable. It is frequently used to connect computers, switches, routers, and other networking hardware in homes, workplaces, and other buildings.
Cat7. Compared to Cat5e and Cat6 cables, Cat7 cable is designed to handle signals at substantially higher frequencies. When connecting directly connected servers, switches, and computer networks in high-speed Ethernet-based networks with a data rate of 1 Gbps or more, a Category 7 cable, also known as a shielded twisted pair cable, is utilized.
Fiber optic cabling. Optical fiber is a transparent, flexible material and is used to transmit data signals faster and over longer distances. As a result, optical fiber is used to deliver services like television, phone, and internet. Total internal reflection is the basis for how optical fiber functions.
Wireless cabling, a method of cable television distribution using prior wireless signal reception via a microwave antenna.
That's all for this video. We hope you learned something new today. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.